Select jog mode. Press offset button. Press work soft key. Press OPRT soft key. Press right arrow twice. Press setup soft key. Keep the cursor on single surface measurement option. Press select. Input the tool length. Input the tool diameter. Select the measure direction. Touch tool at the surface of the component. Press measure soft key. Measured machine coordinate value will appear in blue color text. Move to M Work tab. Input the required work coordinate number. Input the work coordinate value. This is the old coordinate value. This is the new coordinate value which is going to update. Press Set soft key. Now the work offset has setted successfully. To ensure that, go back and check the work offset value.